What's good, man? Welcome back to Jill Rich Trades and Stocks, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. And today we're gonna be going over what's coming up in the stock market, what to be looking out for with two stocks I made the most off of last week, man, and why I got into them trades. So you're gonna want to stick around to learn some free game, you feel me, and apply that to your trading system so you can be bank rolling like me in the Discord. And if y'all want the Discord, link is in the description, man. So without further ado, let's get into it. So check this out. Usually I got my Robinhood portfolio pulled up. I'm screen sharing with y'all, but today we're gonna pull the charts up right on the big screen so y'all get all the rationale of why I get into certain trades and can apply it to your trading system, you feel me? So if we go over here and put my laptop in front of me, so I stand tuned with y'all can see me. All right, so if we go right here, I got into Coinbase on when the market back open on the 28th. So Coinbase ticker symbol COIN, man, coin. Y'all see it had a heavy buy zone right here. And this indicator too, y'all can put this on y'all charts. It's called the Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo, man. It shows you heavy buy zones and heavy sell zones, man. So the sell zones is a good indicator of when you should obviously get into puts, because that's when the sellers is stepping in, the bears is stepping in, and the blue right here, this is a buy zone where heavy buyers are stepping in, or the bulls, man. So y'all just remember that when y'all turn that indicator on. So if we go here, let's zoom into it. When did we get in? When the market back open on the 1st. It was closed Friday. There we go. On the 28th. So as y'all see, it was closed on Monday. So the market back open. And I see on Friday, the 24th, I had saw that it had touched the 9 EMA, which is the 9 exponential moving average, man. And that's a good usually a good indicator of support or resistance on the stock. So I'll be keeping that in mind. I saw it had a big shoot up. I wish I would have gotten it down here, but I seen what it was doing in the price action. It was still a heavy price action on the upside when the market opened. So we had got in. Let's turn this on the 15-minute chart right quick, man, so y'all can get a better understanding, because I was going to swing this. Swing meaning I was going to hold the stock or the contracts for a couple of days, but I wound up not swinging it and just doing it by the day. So this is the 28th, man. Let's make this a little bigger. We got in down here, man, and as y'all can see, we rolled that to the top. It was really a home run. I'm gonna make the Robinhood portfolio pop up right here so y'all see we not capping, man. Putting y'all on real game right now. I seen it started rejecting off of the 244 mark. And after I see two red candles on a 15-minute chart, I'm usually out of a trade, man, because that is an indication of a rejection. So I didn't want to stay in, have a dog fight with it, then wait for it to come back up. I didn't want to bet on that, man. It wasn't at a real big key level right here, as y'all can see, but I just didn't want to overstay my welcome, man. I took profits and I called that in the Discord right there, man. Like I said, make sure y'all tap the link in description if you do want access to the Discord, man. No cap. Yeah, that's all we did on Coinbase, man. Now, next, I want to talk about, y'all ain't even going, this is a stock that not a lot of people be talking about, but it's one of my favorite ones, man. And I've never drunk this a day in my life. Never shot with them a day in my life. Let's go to SBUX, Starbucks, man. Ticker symbol SBUX, man. And I had played this a couple of times last week. And let me show you why. Y'all see how it's in an obvious uptrend? Like, it's not really any bull flags or anything on a 15-minute chart. As you can see, it's just a big uptrend off of this buy zone right here, man. So let's go to the daily chart so you can get a better understanding of why I got into this trade. Can y'all see me? Okay. Alright, so boom. Let's make this smaller, man. So if y'all take a look on the screen, I'm gonna delete this line so it's not too much on y'all. Y'all see how Starbucks has this big gap down? I'm gonna teach y'all something right quick, man. Make sure y'all paying attention. This is called a gap. This is a point where no contracts are getting sold, man. So whatever it was over the weekend, I believe. No, it wasn't even over the weekend. It just got slammed overnight. So no contracts was traded in this price range, man. So Wednesday had started off the day down here. No, Thursday, excuse me. No, Wednesday, May 1st, 2024. It came down here, man, and it made a low. And after I seen it came up here, let me zoom in a little bit. It was a slight bull flag pattern right here, and then it broke out. I said, oh yes, I'm buying calls. You wanna know why? It has to fill this gap. Whenever it's a gap that the price gaps up or gaps it down, you can be sure that the stock is going to retest the level of where it started at when no options were getting traded, no contracts were getting traded, man. So you hear how y'all see how it's continuing to fill the gap, and it's going to keep continuing to fill the gap in the upcoming weeks, man. So make sure y'all got this on y'all radar, man. If y'all this thing breaks its week highs at basically $81, man, I am going to buy in calls, man. So that's some free sweat for y'all right there, man. And I'm gonna go heavy on my contracts, cause when I tell you this junk be paying, man, this junk has definitely been paying. I played it a couple different times last week, man. Make sure y'all keep all gap fills on y'all radar too, man. I make a lot of money off of gap fills. And if y'all peep, it was oversold on the RSI, the relative strength index. Make sure you putting that on your trade view, because it is a good indicator of when the price may shoot up or shoot down. Every time that, let's see another time when it was oversold. All right, so right here was overbought. So now, I ain't even look at this yet, right? Let's go to where it was overbought. Chappelle, y'all see how it was overbought, then it gapped all the way down here? Y'all peeped that, right? So make sure y'all pulling up y'all RSIs, the relative strength indicators on y'all trading view, the smart money concepts by Lux Algo, so you get the a good idea of where the buyers and sellers are stepping in, man, where stuff is about to get bullish or bearish, you hear me? So and yeah, man, that's pretty much it. If y'all want to be in the Discord Monday, man, make sure y'all tap in the link in the description. Make sure y'all subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and sending it out to all your people so you can spread the knowledge, man. We is definitely going to keep giving y'all free game. No funny stuff. Definitely going to keep giving y'all free game, because they printing it. We just got to get it, bro. It's enough paper for all of us. So like I said, man, make sure y'all subscribing, man. Link to the Discord in the description. We ain't got nothing else to go over right now, man. Other than that, safe trading. Make sure y'all remember these indicators, and I'm gonna talk to y'all soon.